Dear geoscientists, dear colleagues, we celebrate tonight excellence in Earth, space and planetary sciences with a ceremony that I think it's particularly important in this difficult period.
On behalf of EGU, it gives me great pleasure to recognise our 2020 and 2021 awardees and medalists, even though we can't be together in Vienna to celebrate their great achievements.
We are very proud to recognize the excellent contribution of individuals who significantly contributed to the advance of our knowledge for the benefit of humanity. EGU medalists and awardees are early career and established scientists, as well as colleagues who significantly contributed to dissemination and outreach.
The role of science in society has been placed in the spotlight during these unprecedented times caused by the global COVID-19 crisis. Science will be pivotal in the post-pandemic recovery, and the EGU Awards recognise some of those researchers that will lead the way, having made new advances, insights and discoveries in their respective fields of Earth, planetary and space sciences research. But we also should not forget that during the pandemic, many researchers have faced extra and unexpected challenges, including limited or no access to labs and facilities, fieldwork being cancelled, and in many cases, no contact with their colleagues, supervisors and mentors, as well as added personal responsibilities that have disproportionately affected some members of our community. Despite all of these factors, many have strived to continue their research, but the long-term impacts on their productivity and career paths are yet to be fully recognised and addressed. Our medals and awards should reflect the diversity of our community, but this can only be achieved with greater diversity among our nominees, and we therefore rely on our members to nominate candidates from all career stages and different cultural, geographical and ethnic backgrounds.
This is why EGU, together with the sister associations, is promoting equality of opportunities and inclusivity through a dedicated committee and a set of initiatives.
On behalf of EGU, I would like to congratulate all of our medalists and awardees who are being recognised during this year's EGU Virtual General Assembly.
I am also very grateful to our amazing community of members who submitted more than 200 nominations for the 2021 EGU Awards and Medals program.
I look forward to your lectures, all of which will be available online to download during the weeks of EGU 21, and hopefully welcoming you to Vienna at a future General Assembly.